If you're looking to give your digital footage a rich, cinematic film look, this video is for you. I'll show you how to download, install, and start using Dehancer, a powerful film emulation tool trusted by professionals. Dehancer offers beautiful film profiles like Fujicolor Natura 1600, Ilford XP2 Super 400, and Kodak Portra with realistic film grain. You can also choose cinematic options like Kodak Vision3 250D and 500T, and more, complete with stunning effects such as halation, bloom, and natural film grain. With Dehancer, you get the rich colors and textures of classic film, right inside your editing software. Dehancer offers powerful plugins for both video and photo editing, with full support for Davinci Resolve and other leading professional software. Dehancer also has an iOS app for iPhone and iPad that brings powerful film emulation tools to your mobile device. It lets you apply authentic film looks and creative effects right from your phone or tablet, making it easy to edit on the go. And if you prefer working in your browser, Dehancer Online lets you use many of the same film emulation features without needing to install any software. So whether you're editing on a full desktop suite, mobile device, or straight from the web, Dehancer's got you covered with film emulation tools wherever you create. Dehancer offers high-quality film emulation tools with pricing that reflects their professional features. A free trial is available so you can test it before buying. If you're doing professional work and want film emulation tools all in one place, Dehancer is a great choice. And to make it easier, you can use this promo code to get 10% off your purchase. First, go to the Dehancer website and open the products page. You'll see the products they offer in this window. These are the options they provide their service for. Choose the one you use. In my case, I selected Davinci Resolve OFX plugins. Here you can choose your operating system, Mac, Windows, or Linux. You'll also see the system requirements needed to run it. Then, click on Download and try again. After downloading, you'll get both CUDA and OpenCL versions. Choose based on your GPU. Now begin the installation process. After installation, open Davinci Resolve and go to Preferences. Under System Settings, select Video Plugins. You'll see that Dehancer is successfully installed. Now go to the Color tab and then the Effects panel. Search for Dehancer under Film Emulation. You'll find the plugin we just installed. Simply drag and drop it to your color node. Scroll down to activate your license. Click on License Info and enter your registration email and password. After that, the watermark will disappear. To download film and camera profiles, click on Check Profile. It will automatically download the required files. Dehancer Film Emulation gives your digital footage the look and feel of real film. From subtle color shifts to authentic grain, bloom, and halation, it brings every frame to life. Whether you're going for a vintage look or a cinematic style, these film profiles help you get there with ease. That's it. Thanks for watching.